Karelian language is a Finnic language spoken in Russia and Finland, with around 14,000 registered speakers in Russia and about 10 to 30,000 speakers in Finland. It is believed that Karelian descended from what is now called Proto-Karelian, which is also the ancestor of Ijorian Eastern Finnish, which mixed with Tavastin Finnish dialects, and in some models, Ludic. Karelian is divided into 2 or 3 dialect groups: Karelian proper, Livi, and Ludic. However, Karelian proper is itself divided into northern and southern forms, and Ludic is often viewed as a separate language nowadays, and among southern Karelian, Tveri is often distinguished from its other forms. Additionally, the ancient Bjormians likely at their final point spoke some kind of Karelian dialect. However, it was assimilated by the Russian speakers around the Middle Ages. Common features of Karelian include the heavy use of diphthongs, where Finnish forms such as a become ua, thus maa, meaning land, is mua in Karelian. The use of the sounds ch, sh, and j, and outside the northern dialects often replaced the Finnish T, K, and P with T, K, and P. This can be seen in Finnish-Karelian comparisons such as soma, choma, beautiful, jokainen, jokahine, every, luonto, luondo, nature, alku, alku, beginning. However, Karelian contains many words which have a different meaning in Finnish, such as äijän, which means much in Karelian, and influences from Vepsian and Russian, while Finnish was influenced more by Swedish. Particularly Livi Karelian is not mutually intelligible to Finns without study.